Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. So today I'm going to check out and unbox the StoneStream Showerhead. Now, if you suffer from hard water or just looking for a way to save money when you're taking showers, your overall water consumption, this may be the perfect product for you. So the one big thing that I've seen with some of these eco-friendly shower heads, the water pressure is horrible. You put them on, you can't even get the soap out of your hair, but this sets out to change that. So just looking at their site real quick, it talks about you can save up to $227 a year for water cost, and it says 200% the actual water flow increase from what you may be getting now. Reduces hard water levels, which is great for skin and hair, and it says the easy installation time says can be done in under a minute. We'll figure that out actually in the review, and I'll talk about that. So the moment you have been waiting for, right? Let's go ahead and take a look and see what's in the box of this StoneStream Showerhead. So just taking it out, this is the StoneStream. You're like, wow, what the heck is that? It's all clear. Here you have your different settings, it looks like, as well as a stop function. And then here, what the heck? Those are all the different stones. Now, each of the different stones here supposedly do some different things. It says geranium filtration mineral stones. Now, overall, it is going to help soften the hard water, but it can also help reduce chlorine, bacteria, and dirt from what they're saying. Now, I also believe that each of the stone colors do provide different types of filtration. So it says there's the bluish or gray one in here. It says it's a negatively charged ion, helps soften your skin. The white one is a ceramic energy stone, which will bring up the pH value of your skin, controlling a bit and elasticity, making it feel nicer. And the tourmaline stone actually contributes to making your hair smooth and shiny, which is the brown stone. So that's pretty cool, and I'm really looking forward to checking this out. So in the box we have the shower head that actually comes pre-installed with these stones in here. You have your little getting started guide. Okay, it says if you have questions, call them, or you can watch some of their facts. And then you have the actual included extension for this, so you can easily just screw it onto your existing shower head. Do that. Here is the piece where this is going to sit into. So you're going to take this piece, screw it into your shower head, and then this will sit in here, and then this is going to be the extender for where that last piece is going to go, and that way you can take it off and actually move it around, get all the different areas that you need to. Also comes here, I have another bag of replacement stones, so I'm not really too sure of how long that's going to last, but you have that option. So they do actually have a few different kits that you can pick up depending on your needs and your shower setup. This is the hard water filtration kit, so this also comes with this extra universal shower filter, which is pretty cool, that you can put in line. It's going to provide additional filtration, as well as your little installation manual there too. So inside this, it sounds like there's more of those rocks to help with the filtration and make your skin softer, all that fun stuff. But they do have other options, again, how you need to mount it. So really, really awesome setup. Looking forward to checking it out to see how the pressure performs, as well as does my skin actually feel different? Does all the soap get out of my hair? And how easy is it to install based on what they say? So make sure to like and subscribe, and look for that review and demo video of the installation and actually checking out the StoneStream. But right there, that's a pretty cool and unique looking shower head, so I am looking forward to checking that out. Thanks again for watching. Like, subscribe, click that little bell icon to stay up to date with everything that I do, and I'll see you soon.